You want to lose weight? I know you do. But listen, there are a few steps you can do right after you wake up in the morning in order to start your day. And those steps will help you to lose weight. For example, drink a glass of water every morning. That will suppress your appetite and make you feel more full. That will make you eat less. Go for a walk for 10 to 20 minutes. Those are steps you can take in order to help you lose weight. I'm gonna tell you more. Stand by. Weight yourself. Stepping on the scale and weighing yourself each morning can be an effective method to increase motivation and improve self-control. Weighing yourself every morning can also help foster healthy habits and behaviors that may promote weight loss. For best result, weigh yourself right when you wake up. Do so after using the bathroom and before you eat or drink anything. Take a few minutes to meditate. Meditation can boost your feelings of compassion, reducing negative emotions and reducing depression and anxiety. Just focus on your breath for a few minutes in the morning could help increase your mindfulness, leading to a day of smart food choices of how your body feels as well. Exercise. Yes, you have to exercise at least 30 minutes. You can go for a walk. You can take your dog to the park and for 30 minutes walking around the neighborhood. Of course, this is a way that you will burn more calories. If you don't have access to green scenery or if you just want to mix things up a little bit, then head to the gym as part of your morning routine. Morning exercises can give you the energy surge you need for the rest of the day. Exercise boosts energy level and endorphins. It can jumpstart your metabolism and get your blood circulation flowing so that you have more energy for the day. Do 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise on an empty stomach. This helps reduce or elevated morning cortisol level and burn extra calories. There are so many benefits to regular movement, and getting your blood flowing the first thing helps you have more energy for the rest of the day. Working can be an excellent component of morning routine, and it's even better if you can work outside. Plus, we get a little bit of vitamin D, which is important for bone health and the immune system. It may help even fight cancer and heart disease. Another benefit of getting some sunshine is that sunlight helps regulate the pineal gland, which releases melatonin and helps us sleep better at night. Take a cold shower. It wakes you up and energizes you like nothing else. Everyone loves a good hot shower in the morning to slowly waking up, but the truth is, studies have shown that taking a cold shower in the morning can help boost your energy levels, your metabolism, and regulate your hormones. Also, when your body gets cold, you are burning a substantial amount of calories in order for your body to continue to keep you warm, and all of your internal faculties jump on board in order to keep your body healthy. With cold showers, your metabolism will be kicked into high gear. Lemon water is key. Yes, every morning, if you could drink a glass of water, this would be helpful. Starting your morning with a glass or two of water is an easy way to enhance weight loss. Water can help increase your energy expenditure or the number of calories your body burns for at least 60 minutes. What's more, drinking water may reduce appetite and food intake in some individuals. Starting your morning with water and staying well hydrated throughout the day is a key way to boost weight loss with minimal effort. This gives you an energy boost, help promote good digestion and clear skin, and flush the body of waste that accumulated overnight. Makes you less likely to want to head back to bed. Eat a healthy breakfast. Now, this is something you can decide. If you were fasting, you may not need to eat anything in the morning, just a glass of water or a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. But if you are not fasting, then you need to protect yourself from eating a lot of calories. Here is an example of a healthy breakfast. Is oatmeal sprinkled with cinnamon and almonds, yogurt and berries, and a cup of tea. You have to always try to take in less calories than you actually burn. Alright, here is the bottom line. Making a few small changes to your morning habits can be an easy and effective way to increase weight loss. Practicing healthy behaviors in the morning can also get your day started on the right foot and set you up for success. For best results, make sure you combine these morning habits with a well-rounded diet and a healthy lifestyle. This is it for today. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.